Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on the application of Snapchat. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we're scrolling down until you find this window here of Snapchat and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Snapchat. And then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.